The first derivative test tells us that if f prime of x is greater than 0, meaning, okay, so it's increasing, and then less than 0, so decreasing, then at the point C, where C is a critical number, increasing to decreasing, it has a local maximum. Now, if f prime of x is decreasing and then increasing near C, so decreasing and then increasing is a local minimum. You should draw a picture instead of like just plain memorization, because sometimes you might remember wrong or forgot which one is which. Now, if f prime of x have the same sign on both sides of C, even if C is a critical number, then f of C is neither a local max nor a local mean. Let's take a look at example 1 to understand the first derivative test. So first, we need to find the critical numbers for the function. So the function have a derivative f of x equals 4x cubed plus 9x squared. So in order to find the critical numbers, we need to set this derivative equals 0 and solve for x. So these two terms have a common factor of x squared. So we factor that out. We get 4x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, so x squared times 4x plus 9 equals 0. So let me change this. So we see the critical numbers are, okay, so x squared equals 0, one is 0. Another one is 4x plus 9 equals 0. So another critical number is negative 9 over 4. So these two numbers are both critical numbers. So the answer for critical number is negative 9 over 4, comma 0. But what are the local max and local mean? So we need to find out what is the sign of f prime of x. So let's take a test value here. And you need to know what number to take. Okay, so negative 9 over 4 is negative 2.25. So you can plug in negative 3. Okay, so when you plug in negative 3 into f prime, either here or here. But here is easier because it's easier to discuss the sign. Negative 3 squared is positive. Negative 3 times 4 plus 9 is negative. So it's negative right here. Okay, so here you can pick a test point of negative 1. So plug in negative 1, you have positive. Here negative 1 is also positive. So you get a positive number. Here you can plug in the number 1 or plug in number 2. Okay, so 2 squared, right? 4 times 2 plus 9, both are positive, so it's positive here. So what happened here is the function is decreasing, then increasing, then increasing. What it tells us that is that it has a local mean right here. Okay, but here it's decreasing, so it's going to continue increasing. So we do not have a local max or no solution. We do have a local minimum. Now the local minimum is not negative 9 over 4. Okay, it's f of negative 9 over 4. So you find out the value of that. Its value is negative 3211 divided by 256. So that is the local minimum.